The scheduler function allows you to set up the schedule for the automatic transfer of financial data to and from QBO. In this video we will show you how you can set up the scheduler in application. You can set up the scheduler for GL transactions, which will include all the sales, purchase and inventory transactions to be sent to QBO. You can also set up a schedule to download the customers and suppliers from QBO to RMH. Check Enable to activate the scheduler. Double-clicking on the interval will open a new window. Select the time interval in minutes or hours. You can also select the start and end time, if you do not want scheduler to run at peak hours. Click on Save to set up the scheduler setup. Want to learn more about our RMH QuickBooks integration? Do visit and subscribe our YouTube channel and connect with us for more details.